Cause girls like you run around with guys like me to sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun, and yeah, me do what I want. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah.
For today's crochet slay, I am using Trendy Tresses Nubian curl in 16 inches in the color 1B. Trendy Tresses is a black-owned company based in the UK. So this is my braiding pattern. I have cornrows going straight to the back. I did use my Miko method braiding pattern right across the front, so my crochet braids will not slip away from my hairline over the course of this style. Now I'm super excited because my shave sides, you know, I'm letting them grow out and they're finally long enough for me to braid. So super excited about that. This is what it looks like in the back. I just connected the ends of my cornrows in one horizontal braid going across. Now Trendy Tresses contacted me to see if I would like to review some hair for them. I was super excited because I have been looking at Trendy Tresses hair for at least a year or so. But you know, it's a little more expensive for crochet hair, but it is supposed to be a higher quality hair, and I've heard some really good things about Trendy Tresses. So I was super excited to review this hair, and I decided on the Nubian curl in 16 inches, and I got it in the color 1B. So this is what one of the strands looks like, and you get 5 of these in each pack, and I got 5 packs, which should be enough for a full head of hair. Now these strands are pretty thick, so I'm gonna go ahead and separate each strand into 3 and start installing. So you insert the crochet needle underneath the braid, insert the hair on the end of the hook, close the lash and pull the hair underneath the braid, and then you just pull the ends of the hair through the loop, twist the loop once, and pull the ends back through the loop, and that is double knotting the hair. Even though this hair is really soft, it feels really good, you guys. It was super easy to knot. I only had to knot it twice, and the knot stayed pretty securely. And I'm just going to continue that process until I get all the hair installed. I'm going to show you a couple more times in case you're new to crochet braiding. I want to show you exactly how easy it is to crochet hair.
The best fruit always forbidden. I'm coming to you now, doing 20 over the limit. The red light, stop, stop. I don't play when it comes to my heart, let's get it though. I don't really want a white horse in a carriage. Think of more of white Porsches and carrots. I need you right here, cause every time you fall, I play with this like you play with your guitar.
And guys, you can see this hair is super huge. It has so much volume, and the more I separated the hair, the frizzier it got. I don't know if I separated it the wrong way. I saw other YouTubers install this hair, and they separated into smaller sections like I did, and the hair didn't turn out this frizzy. But you guys know I love me some big hair, and this is definitely a lot of hair. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do with all this hair? But I made it work. You know how the old saying goes, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. And so I just pulled out my shears and started shaping and cutting until I was satisfied with the final look. And I only used 3 packs of hair because as I was installing, I quickly realized I did not need to install 5 packs. So I have 2 packs left over, and I'm just gonna show you how I shaped and cut this hair until I was happy with the final look.
Go that backward, baby, play me close. Cause girls like you run around with guys like me to sundown. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun, and yeah, me do what I want. When I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need a girl.
So here I'm just adding a little bit of water and mousse to tame the volume and the frizz. The mousse didn't really tame the volume that much, but the good thing is that it did bring the curl pattern back to the end of the hair, so the ends weren't as frizzy.
I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Just like you. I need a girl like
And this is the finished look. I'm so happy with how it turned out. This hair is simply gorgeous. It's textured, it's big, it's beautiful. It has so much body and volume, and it looks so natural.
Maybe I'm thinking it's better if you drive.
So guys, the links to purchase this hair from Trendy Tresses will be below. They have many other textured crochet styles on their website to choose from, so make sure you check them out. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed my review. Until the next time, stay beautiful, stay blessed, and make sure you get big.
I'm coming to you now, doing 20 over the limit. The red light, stop, stop. I don't don't play when it comes to my heart, let's get it though. I don't really want a white horse and a carriage. Think of more white Porsches and carrots. I need you right here, cause every time you fall